How to delete all posts on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, let me tell you that this is quite not possible, but however, you can still go to Facebook support center and tell them you want to delete all the Facebook posts at once, but do not rely on it completely. If that does not work, you will have to do delete each of the post manually. So simply launch your Facebook and then tap on your profile icon. Now go to post and all your posts will appear over here. Now go to manage post. After that, simply select the post one by one which you want to delete like this, and then you will see an option of delete post and simply go to delete post. So as you can see, you can only delete the post that you have created, it says. And so if you cannot do like that, simply go to photos and then tap on the three dot and individually delete each of the photos that you have uploaded. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.